this isn't just a game, people. There's theory and lore in this game, don't you know? The theory is I'm actually in hell, and you have come to join me. Congratulations. Why? Yeah. Wee! Wee! What? No! Doink! 'Cause cheer